This is our first main screen. Whenever we open our Cheque software, this is our main screen. I'm showing to you how to make our first check print. So here, the main screen also, print check. I can select the print check and I can choose. Presently I didn't create any company. If required, I can create it. I'm creating my new company. This one time only, ABC company. I can give my address also. If company logo, I can add it there and save it. Okay. And I'm going to print. Presently we created only one bank account and we have one template only and we have one printer only. And from whom what is the date your check? For example, I'm giving today date, or I can give the PDC 15th is my check date. And presently, if you have payees, it will be drop down listed. If there is no payees, you can create also. Just create new pay. For example, if you want accounts pay, you can take it here, accounts automatically generated account pay. So when this check you are printing, the cross signature, cross check, automatically it will be generated. There is no manual option required. So already I save the pays. Next time, if I am giving for the check for Mission Electronics, automatically it will be appear. And I am giving for this amount. Automatically it will be converted as per your requirement. It will come, and the first check number 30010 for example, and next check will be from this bank. Automatically it will come 1112. Automatically it will be increase. And why you give for this check, for what you can give your description. It will not print on the check. This one also it will not print on the check. These elements only will be print on the check. This for your this for your knowledge. And for whatever you can give, invoice number, whatever you can give there, as per your narration you can give there, and click print. So it will be located on the printing menu. Directly you can click print check. Your check is printed. And after the check printing, your payment voucher also will be ready. You can print your payment voucher also if you require. I'll check for the first printed check. This is my first printed check. You see here, Mission Electronics, and full will come here correctly. Date also will be correctly. If you want edit